here, which is growing really wild. And I have like this beautiful cucumber growing. I have just one cucumber that is very overgrown. And I am gonna harvest this, see what we can make with it. It is huge and it's so weird. Is it supposed to have this weird spikes? I don't know. Hope it's good. Feels very watery. So the cucumber has been washed and now we are gonna cut it up. I'm gonna try the first bite. It's actually really sweet. I thought it would be bitter because I think I overgrew it, but so for this recipe, I'm gonna make a really quick cucumber salad. Start by peeling off the skin of the cucumber, and I like to leave little bits of skin here and there so there's more color. Chop it up into smaller pieces, and in this case I am doing some funky, edgy looking ones. And I can't believe this one cucumber gave me a whole bowl of it. Get a few cloves of garlic and mince them. Add it in. Few pieces of dried seaweed. I like to snip them up as it's quite big in pieces. Garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, chili flakes, salt, soy sauce, fish sauce, black vinegar, mirin, shaoxing, sesame oil, and also sugar, which I forgot to film. Finally, mix it all up and give it a little taste test. See what it's missing and what can be improved. At this stage, I added some more soy sauce and I thought that was perfect. We'll let this marinate for a few hours, then it'll be perfect to eat. So this is my quick and easy cucumber salad. I hope you guys like this video, watching the cucumber grow to this delicious bowl of salad. And if you want to keep watching more gardening and cooking, baking videos, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give it a good like as well. And I'll see you in the next one.